This video is a guide for installing the US-FIP bearing frame. Please refer to the manual for parts reference and additional details. The pump cart is shown inverted. Insert the bearing frame and provide support under the shaft to hold the unit in place. With the bearing frame spacers in position, insert the 3/8 by 4.5 inch long bolts. We advise using anti-seize on all stainless steel threads. Use a 9/16 wrench and tighten the bolts to 20 foot-pounds. Use the bronze bushings as spacers to set the pulley height. Place the pulley onto the bushings with the threaded holes on the center hub facing up. Apply anti-seize to the bushing bore and OD. Allow the bushing to rest inside of the pulley and insert the shaft key. Use an Allen wrench to secure the set screw on the bushing flange. It is either 5/64 or 3/32. Insert 2 1/4-inch bolts with lock washers through the bushing flange and into the threaded holes of the pulley. Using a 7/16 wrench, tighten the bolts until the lock washers are flush. Attach 2 cogged V-belts. Apply tension to the belts. Proper belt tension is established when a deflection of 3/16 of an inch can be achieved using 5 to 7 pounds of force on the belt. While maintaining tension, secure the motor bolts and tighten to 43 foot-pounds. Insert the 2 bushings, attach the axle and the wheels to the cart. Place 1/2-inch lock washers and nuts on the end of the axle and tighten. For safety, please remember to replace the belt guard. Your pump cart is now ready for use. Please refer to the manual for piping hints and operation guidelines. Thank you for using US-FIP pumps.